We just gave Tanner his first piece of gum.
Here's my first piece of gum.
That's not your first piece of gum.
I mean, that's a whole piece of gum. And I know what kind of gum this is. Bubble gum.
Bubble gum? That was minty gum.
It's bubble gum. It's minty bubble gum.
I'm curious to see where it's going to end up. He's got his baby with him. You got your baby? Yeah, right there? Oh, it's so nice that you bring your baby with you. He's got his book and he's got his gum. Are you done with it? Do you want mommy to have it? Yeah? Let's see how that goes. Here, give it to mommy. Thank you. He's got... Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Where's your gum? Did you swallow it? Is it gone? Huh? Oh, gone.
He
No more
swallowed it.
Yeah. You got your book? Yeah? What kind of book is it? A baby book? Mommy book? What kind of animals does it have in there? Oh. What? Oh. Is it about a kitty? It's a kitty book?
About what kind of kitty? A tiger kitty.
A daddy kitty? Daddy kitty. Oh. You want to say bye to the people? Say it's Tanner today. You're busy looking out the window. All right, there we go.